My topic is influencer marketing advantages and detail explain, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Influencer marketing offers several advantages that can greatly benefit brands and businesses. Here are some specific advantages of leveraging influencer marketing. Increased brand awareness. Influencer marketing can boost brand awareness as influencers have a dedicated audience that trusts their opinion and recommendations. Improved credibility. Collaborating with influencers who align with your brand values and messaging can increase your credibility and trust with potential customers. Authentic content creation. Influencers are experts at creating engaging and authentic content that captures their audience's attention. This can help brands to create more engaging and resonant content. Targeted reach. With the help of influencers, brands can reach their target audience more easily and effectively. Cost-effective. Influencer marketing can be more cost-effective than other marketing methods, especially when compared to traditional advertising. Long-term relationships. Collaborating with influencers can result in long-term relationships, allowing brands to build a lasting partnership with an influencer for future campaigns. Increased audience engagement. Influencer marketing can drive increased engagement with a brand's target audience, leading to higher conversion rates and brand loyalty. Improved SEO. By working with influencers, brands can improve their search engine rankings through backlinks and social media mentions. Greater flexibility. Influencer marketing can offer greater flexibility compared to traditional advertising, as brands can choose the type of content, the influencers to work with, and the platforms where the content will be shared. Measurable results. Influencer marketing can provide measurable results through tracking metrics such as engagement rates, reach, and conversions, allowing brands to evaluate the success of their campaigns. Increased brand credibility. Influencers have built a loyal following based on trust and authenticity. When they endorse or recommend your brand, their audience perceives it as a genuine endorsement, enhancing your brand's credibility and reputation. Expanded reach and visibility. Influencers have a dedicated and engaged audience, which allows you to extend your brand's reach to new and relevant demographics. By partnering with influencers who align with your target market, you can tap into their followers and gain exposure to a wider audience. Targeted audience engagement. Influencers often specialize in specific niches or industries, allowing you to reach a highly targeted audience. This enables you to connect with individuals who are more likely to be interested in your products or services, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. Authentic content creation. Influencers are skilled content creators who understand their audience's preferences and can create compelling content that resonates with their followers. When they promote your brand, their content feels authentic and aligns with their unique style, increasing the likelihood of audience engagement and acceptance. Access to niche markets. Influencers can help you penetrate niche markets that may be challenging to reach through traditional advertising channels. They have a deep understanding of their niche audience and can effectively communicate your brand's message to that specific market segment. Social media amplification. Influencers have a strong presence on social media platforms, and their endorsements can generate significant buzz and social media engagement. When they share content featuring your brand, it can lead to increased likes, comments, shares, and overall brand mentions, amplifying your social media presence. Cost-effective compared to traditional advertising. Influencer marketing can often provide a more cost-effective alternative to traditional advertising. Working with influencers can be more affordable than investing in large-scale ad campaigns, especially for businesses with limited marketing budgets. Partnerships and collaborations. Building relationships with influencers can lead to long-term partnerships and collaborations. This allows for ongoing brand promotion, content creation, and joint campaigns that can further strengthen your brand's presence and create a continuous stream of content. However, it's essential to carefully select influencers based on their relevance, audience alignment, and authenticity. Additionally, setting clear objectives, establishing open communication, and measuring campaign performance are crucial for maximizing the advantages of influencer marketing. Reach a targeted audience. Influencers have a dedicated following that aligns with specific demographics, interests, or niches. By partnering with influencers relevant to your target audience, you can reach a highly targeted group of potential customers who are more likely to be interested in your products or services. Authenticity and trust. Influencers are seen as authentic voices and trusted sources of recommendations. Their followers have developed a sense of trust and connection with them. When an influencer promotes your brand or product, it carries more weight and credibility compared to traditional advertising methods. This can enhance your brand's reputation and foster trust among consumers. Increased brand awareness. Collaborating with influencers can significantly boost your brand's visibility. Influencers have the ability to expose your brand to a wide audience, including their followers and beyond. This increased exposure can lead to greater brand awareness and recognition, which is particularly beneficial for newer brands or those trying to expand their reach. Content creation and engagement. Influencers are skilled content creators who know how to engage their audience. When they feature your brand, they often develop unique and engaging content that resonates with their followers. This can generate higher levels of engagement, such as likes, comments, and shares, which can amplify your brand's reach and increase user interaction. Social proof and recommendations. Influencer endorsements serve as powerful social proof for your brand. When influencers recommend or endorse your products or services, it provides validation to their followers and can influence their purchasing decisions. Their recommendations can be perceived as personal referrals, which carry significant weight in the eyes of consumers. Cost-effective and targeted advertising. Influencer marketing can be a cost-effective advertising method compared to traditional forms of advertising. Instead of investing in expensive media placements, you can work with influencers at various budget levels and choose those whose audience aligns with your target market. This allows you to allocate your marketing budget more efficiently and effectively. It's important to note that successful influencer marketing campaigns require careful planning, clear communication with influencers, and a focus on building genuine partnerships. It's crucial to select influencers whose values align with your brand, establish clear objectives, and monitor campaign performance to ensure the desired results. Monetization opportunities. Influencer marketing provides a way for influencers to monetize their online presence and content creation efforts. By partnering with brands and promoting their products or services, influencers can earn income through sponsored collaborations, affiliate marketing, brand ambassadorships, and more. Increased exposure and reach. Collaborating with brands allows influencers to expand their reach and expose their content to new audiences. Brands often have established followings and broader marketing channels, which can help influencers gain visibility and attract more followers to their own platforms. Access to new content and experiences. Influencer collaborations can provide influencers with unique content opportunities and experiences. They may get early access to products, participate in exclusive events, or receive special perks, which can enhance their content creation and provide fresh and exciting material for their audience. Building credibility and authority. Partnering with reputable brands can boost an influencer's credibility and establish them as an authority figure within their niche. When followers see influencers collaborating with trusted brands, it enhances their perception of the influencer's expertise and authenticity. Networking and professional growth. Collaborating with brands opens doors for influencers to network with industry professionals, marketers, and other influencers. This can lead to further partnership opportunities, learning experiences, and professional growth within the influencer community. Diversification of income streams. Influencers can diversify their income streams through brand collaborations. By working with various brands, influencers can create multiple revenue sources, reducing their reliance on a single income stream and providing stability in their earnings. Audience engagement and loyalty. Influencer marketing can deepen the connection between influencers and their audience. By promoting products or services they genuinely believe in, influencers can strengthen the trust and loyalty of their followers, leading to increased engagement and long-term relationships. It's important for influencers to maintain transparency, authenticity, and alignment with their audience's interests and values when engaging in influencer marketing. Building strong relationships with brands and delivering value to both the brand and the audience are key to leveraging the advantages of influencer marketing effectively. Monetization opportunities. Influencers can monetize their online presence and content creation skills by partnering with brands. Through sponsored content, collaborations, affiliate marketing, or brand partnerships, influencers can generate income and turn their passion into a profitable audience reach. Collaborating with brands allows influencers to extend their reach to new audiences. Brand partnerships can expose influencers to a wider audience who may not have been aware of their content before. This increased visibility can help grow their follower base and increase engagement. Enhanced credibility and authority. Working with reputable brands enhances an influencer's credibility and authority in their niche. When influencers partner with brands that align with their values and target audience, it reinforces their expertise and knowledge in their respective fields. Access to exclusive products and experiences. Brands often provide influencers with early access to new products, services, or experiences. This can be an exciting opportunity for influencers to try out and showcase exclusive offerings, which adds value to their content and engages their audience. Collaborative and creative opportunities. Influencer marketing campaigns often involve collaborations with brands on unique and creative projects. This can give influencers the chance to explore new content formats, experiment with different storytelling techniques, and push their creative boundaries. Networking and industry connections. Partnering with brands introduces influencers to industry professionals and opens doors for networking opportunities. Building relationships with brands can lead to further collaborations, speaking engagements, or even brand ambassadorships. Diversification of income streams. In addition to brand partnerships, influencers can diversify their income streams by leveraging their online presence for other revenue-generating activities. These may include selling merchandise, launching their own products or services, creating courses, or securing speaking engagements. It's important for influencers to maintain authenticity, transparency, and relevance in their brand partnerships to preserve their relationship with their audience. By selecting the right brand collaborations that align with their values and maintaining open communication, influencers can continue to provide valuable content while benefiting from the advantages of influencer marketing. Monetization opportunities. Influencers can monetize their online presence through brand collaborations. By partnering with brands, influencers can earn income through sponsored content, affiliate marketing, brand ambassadorships, and other collaboration models. Influencer marketing allows them to turn their passion and influence into a viable source of income. Increased visibility and growth. Collaborating with brands can significantly increase an influencer's visibility and reach. When they work with reputable brands, their content and profile are exposed to a larger audience, leading to increased followers, engagement, and overall growth of their online presence. Access to exclusive experiences and products. Influencers often have the opportunity to experience and promote exclusive products, services, or events. They may receive early access to new product launches, attend industry events, or be part of unique brand experiences. This adds value to their content and enhances their credibility as trusted sources of information. Building long-term partnerships. Successful influencer marketing campaigns can lead to long-term partnerships between influencers and brands. Establishing ongoing collaborations allows influencers to work closely with brands they genuinely align with and develop a deeper understanding of the brand's values, products, and target audience. Long-term partnerships provide stability, consistent revenue streams, and a sense of mutual trust. Creative freedom and expression. Influencer marketing allows influencers to express their creativity and personal style. Brands often value the unique perspective and creative approach of influencers, allowing them the freedom to develop content that resonates with their audience while aligning with the brand's objectives. This creative freedom enables influencers to maintain their authenticity and build stronger connections with their followers. Industry recognition and professional opportunities. Successful influencer marketing campaigns can enhance an influencer's reputation and credibility within their niche. Influencers who consistently deliver high-quality content and demonstrate effective collaborations with brands may be recognized as industry experts or thought leaders. This recognition can lead to professional opportunities such as speaking engagements, media features, consulting gigs, or even partnerships with other influencers. It's important for influencers to maintain transparency, authenticity, and a genuine connection with their audience when engaging in influencer marketing. Building trust and credibility are crucial for long-term success in the influencer space. Authenticity and trust. Influencers have built a relationship of trust and authenticity with their followers. When they promote your brand or products, it comes across as a genuine recommendation rather than a traditional advertisement. This authenticity can greatly impact the perception of your brand and increase trust among consumers. Expanded reach and exposure. Influencers have dedicated and engaged audiences that follow their content regularly. Partnering with influencers allows you to tap into their established fan base and gain exposure to a wider audience that may not be familiar with your brand. This can help increase brand awareness and reach potential customers who are difficult to reach through other marketing channels. Targeted marketing. Influencers often have a specific niche or demographic that they cater to. By selecting influencers who align with your target audience, you can ensure that your message reaches the right people. This targeted approach helps you connect with individuals who are more likely to be interested in your products or services, resulting in higher engagement and conversion rates. Enhanced content creation. Influencers are skilled content creators who know how to engage their audience through compelling and creative content. Collaborating with influencers can provide you with high-quality content that showcases your brand or products in an authentic and appealing way. This content can be leveraged across various marketing channels, strengthening your overall brand image. Improved SEO and online presence. Influencer collaborations can lead to increased mentions, backlinks, and social media buzz around your brand. This can positively impact your search engine optimization, SEO, efforts and improve your online visibility. The increased online presence and social proof can also attract new customers and generate organic traffic to your website or social media profiles. Cost-effective marketing. Influencer marketing can be a cost-effective alternative to traditional advertising channels. Compared to traditional forms of advertising, influencer collaborations often offer higher ROI, as the audience is more receptive to the influencer's recommendations. Additionally, working with micro-influencers or niche influencers with smaller but highly engaged audiences can be more affordable while still delivering impactful results. It's important to note that the success of influencer marketing depends on factors such as selecting the right influencers, setting clear campaign objectives, and establishing authentic partnerships. Thorough research, proper planning, and effective measurement of campaign performance are essential for leveraging the advantages of influencer marketing. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.